One thing about Pastor Enigma, he will call out names. One thing about this guy, he is not scared of anything, guys. He is fear for God. So Pastor Enigma is always invited on this podcast. I think they have weekly episodes, if I'm not mistaken. But people are just loving his content. People are loving the advices that he is giving. So I think that's why he keeps on coming back to this channel. So one thing about him, he will call out names, guys. In Agasabi next, Agasabi Loto, there are a lot of celebrities that he has exposed, and he is not ashamed to say it. So he was invited, and then this time around, he exposed Mr. Ace Makgashule. He exposed Mr. Ace Makgashule. I will include a clip here so that you guys can just listen to what he had to say. But basically, he was saying that this guy needs to repent, he needs to change, he needs to give himself back to God, because he has a lot of sins, and he is saying ukuthi zonke lezinto lezi he was showed by God. God is giving him revelations, to just go and warn people. So he was exposing Mr. Ace Makgashule, saying that he has a lot of sins. God showed him that this guy has a lot of sins. This guy is carrying a lot of sins with him. He needs to repent. He needs to go back to God. Now, guys, there are a lot of people who agree with him, others don't agree with him, and it's a lot. But at some point, guys, we will have to listen to this guy, and he said very well that he is not a pastor, he is just Brother Enigma. Let's just take a moment and listen to Brother Enigma.
Bahamba ngazo abafuna ukuziletha kuJesu abageze ngegazi la omunye umuntu so lo wa ibheke yakhe inkulu kangaka makathi uyayidonsa ayidonseki makavula izandla angithi uyadonsa so makavula izandla into le irope yakhona tale bheke ayisuke ezandleni zakhe incamatheke
asakhona ukuyiyeka
so makadonsa ayidonseki
okay
kusho ukuthi ibheke yakhe inkulu izono zakhe ziningi
ikazwenzi
so mangibheka ukuthi ubuso bakhe ngibani Ace Makgashule
una wow